Let's go to CommSec. Tom Piotrowski joins us live. It was a good day. It was a decent rise yesterday, Tom. What's going to happen today?
It was quite encouraging, Pete, and today promises to build on that improvement. The futures are telling us that the ASX 200 should be up by around 1/3% when trade gets underway later on this morning. So interestingly, you mentioned that cyclone in the west. That has the potential to disrupt quite a bit of mining activity. So there's been quite a bit of movement where mining-related stocks have been concerned over the last day because of what that might mean for commodity prices if there's a disruption to, for example, iron ore movements and the like. So that's something to bear in mind. But in terms of what we saw last night in the US in particular, it was a pretty constrained session because of the fact that in the coming session in the US, we'll see the monthly inflation figures report, which is obviously significant in terms of the Fed's decision on rates, which is coming up. So we saw the S&P 500 rather disappointingly finish flat. And I say disappointingly because not long before the close, it was up by about 1/3%. The Dow was up by 1/4% at the end, and tech stocks just had a little bit of a wobble and finished down by about 0.5%. So that anxiety ahead of not only the inflation report but also the beginning of the US reporting season is seeing investors keep their powder dry for the moment. We saw a little bit of a move higher as far as interest rates are concerned. 2- and 10-year Treasury notes are up by about 2 basis points. So that's barely a move compared to what we have seen in recent history. So yeah, it really comes down to those inflation numbers in the US this week as far as the beginning of the interesting part of the week.
Okay, Tom Piotrowski, thank you.